Nestled in the stunning Bavarian Alps, Königssee is a hidden jewel waiting to be discovered. With its emerald green waters reflecting the towering peaks that surround it, this pristine alpine lake is a sight to behold. Considered one of Germany's most beautiful natural wonders, Konigsee offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether you are yearning for a peaceful retreat, eager to immerse yourself in nature's splendor, or seeking thrilling adventures in the great outdoors, Konigsee has it all. From boat tours that reveal breathtaking vistas to hiking trails that lead you to hidden gems like the tranquil Obersee, every moment here is an invitation to explore and reconnect with the natural world. So join us on this journey to Konigsee and unlock the magic of this enchanting destination that promises to leave you in awe at every turn. Königssee is easily accessible from Munich and Salzburg. The most flexible way to travel is by car. But if you prefer public transportation, you can take a train from Munich or from Salzburg to Berchtesgaden. And from there, you can take a short bus ride to Königssee, which is approximately 20 minutes. We have included further details in the description section of this video, so don't forget to check it out. Königssee Lake is just a 5-minute short walk from bus stop and the main parking. On the way to the lake, there are beautiful souvenir shops and quaint boutiques on both sides of the road. Once you arrive at the lake, you can enjoy the picturesque views of the lake or board one of the electric boats that glide silently across the lake's surface, providing a serene and eco-friendly journey. For the boat trip, the tickets are available at the ticket counter by the lake, or one can also avail them online. As you embark on the boat trip, feel the gentle breeze on your face while you take in the breathtaking vistas that surround you. The boat ride offers a unique perspective of the towering mountains, their peaks often kissed by fluffy clouds, creating a dreamlike atmosphere. But the boat tour isn't just about the scenery, it's an experience that engages all your senses. As you glide along the lake's pristine waters, you will be treated to a musical session with the boat driver. Imagine the sound of traditional Bavarian music echoing through the mountains, adding a touch of magic to the already enchanting journey. It's a moment of pure bliss, where nature and culture harmoniously come together. In the heart of Konigsee lies a captivating architectural marvel, the St. Bartholomew's Church, also known as the Konigsee Cathedral. This picturesque pilgrimage site is perched gracefully along the tranquil shores of the lake. Dating back to the 12th century, the church's historic charm and exquisite design draw visitors from near and far. Its distinctive red onion domes and striking facade make for an iconic sight against the backdrop of the serene lake and dramatic mountain peaks. For those seeking a more immersive adventure, exploring Obersee is an absolute must. Located just beyond the famous St. Bartholomew's Church, the trail to Obersee is a scenic and rewarding journey through lush forests and picturesque landscapes. The moderate hike offers glimpses of wildflowers, cascading waterfalls, and the distant echoes of cowbells, truly immersing you in the tranquility of nature. Upon reaching Obersee, you will be greeted by one of the most stunning alpine lakes you have ever seen. Nestled amidst towering cliffs, Obersee is a serene and secluded sanctuary surrounded by untouched wilderness. The emerald waters mirror the majestic peaks above, creating a surreal, mirror like effect that is simply breathtaking. After a day of adventure, treat yourself to the delightful flavors of Bavarian cuisine. Konigsee offers charming restaurants and cozy taverns where you can savor local specialties like Weisswurst, pretzels, and Apfelstrudel. Don't forget to pair your meal with a refreshing Bavarian beer for an authentic culinary experience. There are also plenty of places available around the lake where you can just sit down, relax, and soak in this breathtaking views. As our journey comes to a close, we hope this travel video has inspired you to embark on your own adventure to Königssee. Discover the beauty of nature, immerse yourself in its rich culture, and create cherished memories that will last for a lifetime. So pack your bags and set forth to this enchanting destination. Königssee awaits your arrival. If you liked this video, do give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider doing so. Until we meet again, happy travels.